Let's come back to when you were, I think it's almost 15 years you were doing modeling, right?
12 to 15 years.
You did your short movies, everything.
Right.
Didn't you try for something Bollywood and proper Tollywood?
No, I didn't focus much about it because, as I said, I was always going with the flow. Whatever opportunities that I'm getting, no, I was just taking it. That's it. So I hardly, if some friends come back to me and say there is some audition going on, so you'll suit for it, I used to go. Few, yes, I have been selected. Few, I was actually rejected. But it's all about the process. So
You had your fan moment in your life?
Yeah, I had couple of them, but those are because of my short films.
Okay.
Yeah.
What was, you can share it?
So one person literally followed me till the house.
Okay.
I used to stay in some other community then.
Okay.
So he saw me in the mall, and we were actually thinking why this guy is following. And then he came till the house, and there he was trying to contact me.
Okay.
Then somehow I was like, and the other most memorable thing is a couple of students who are like 4 to 5 people, they on my birthday they came from Vijayawada.
Oh.
So I feel like I didn't do that much to, as if now I don't deserve that much is what I feel, because they just came by road, almost 4 to 5 people, because in that gang only one person is my huge fan.
Oh.
So all these
came together.
Yeah, all these people wanted to surprise that guy. So these people approached me on Instagram,
Okay.
and they were like, we wanted to surprise him, he's a huge fan, please, we want to contact him.
So when you had your fan moment, you went out of the way to meet that person. Did it happen?
Yeah, it happened. But I wanted to share it in a different, with a different question. So now I'll not answer this, but I'll answer this.
What? Yeah.
Yeah. So fan moment happened.
You can say the question how you wanted. We can do that.
No. That happened because of Pratikala, no?
Okay. That. But as matlab, you always have a crave, na? Oh, I want to meet this guy and I got it. I'll go out of the way to meet him. You have something and you did it.
Okay. So.
No, I mean you did out of the way to meet him.
No, I'm not. I'm a movie lover. I'm a cinema lover. So I'll watch all the movies. So if you ask me who is your favorite hero, I cannot say, because since childhood I'm watching all the hero films.
Okay.
Let it be a small movie.
But you have to, like, the people go out of the way to meet their star. If you have to do for whom you'll do that.
See,
go out of the way.
See, I'm a person who get excited when I see any star.
Okay.
It's not like one particular star. I'll do something to meet them. But yeah, Samantha is something that I'm crushing these days.
Okay.
Like I don't know. Somehow I really wanted to meet her.
Okay. You can meet. I mean, that's not a big deal. The profession you are in.
Yeah.
So let's come back to your journey of social media. As you know, this at that time when you started your career, social media, we don't have that impact. The media was there, and when this social media started, it's like a tsunami. Like every person is on the social media. How you get into that? Like, obviously everybody is getting into that, but then we see your journey as an influencer. How you see this market and all the professional people are coming under this roof? How you take this?
So I did one black and white video, which is like little bit of acting. By then TikTok was not there. TikTok was mostly happened in
You were there? You used to do TikToks? Like?
I'm not much active.
Okay, that time.
But on Facebook I did one video, which is a black and white video. There's a lot of people, lot of celebrities who really appreciated me, and they really, still it's a favorite video for them.
Oh.
Like I met Jayant sir, who is a director of Shankar Dada MBBS, Keemar, all big films. He is one very sweet person. He also is like, really admire the acting which I did in that video.
Okay.
So it's a black and white video. Back then in 2017, it got really, really viral.
I must say,
really viral, and that's when I made lot of contacts in industry.
Okay.
So it was never that I went to someone's place and I made contact. It was always like coming
on your flow, destiny. Okay.
So that's when I made little bit of contacts
And then your
industry.
influencer journey, how it started, like?
Influencers, it's again like, you know, now the internet is everything.
Yeah.
Like if we wanted to walk out, we should have a phone and we should have everything.
No doubt.
We'll get it. Like if we want to order food, obviously,
Yeah.
you know, the phone is important. So influencer thing is something that, you know, I already worked with brands.
Yeah.
So now brands are also approaching me easily through Instagram. So it's again not a new thing for me.
Yeah.
I was into modeling. So becoming an influencer is not a big deal. So it was also again. It's
So
like,
now people are saying that being an influencer is more earning than to be in a profession. So you find modeling say better, like influencer earning more. That's a more earning you have in that.
So most of the models actually became an influencer.
Yes.
Part one. And
It's a trending thing right now.
Right, yeah. So yes, there is definitely huge money for the influencers, and in coming days it's going to be more.
Wow.
Yeah. So because brands wanted, you know, influencers to market their brand by being like a customer. Not like a model.
That's a line.
So if I am a model, I'll just try to apply a cream and it's like a professional cameraman who is capturing everything. But whereas in influencers,
They are the common
they
people.
are like, they just sit in front of their camera and they just say that this is the brand that I'm using and this is so nice, this is working on my
That works
skin.
more.
Yeah. So people are thinking that, you know, this is like
They are getting connected.
Correct. And then that's why the influencers are like more trending now, and they are.
I think now you don't need to be a supermodel to be an influencer. Like, you know, we see, I think all the professional people from all over the segment, they are just, how you see as an influencer word now?
It's good. Previously, I heard that there is no, you know, career for influencers. It's
Now
just they used to, yeah, they used to just think they are like people who just make random videos, that, this and all, but they are really making very good money. Even I have couple of very good friends who are big influencers, who have 1 million, 2 million. For one brand, they are almost getting 6 to 7 lakhs.
Wow.
Yeah, and I have literally approached people who, brands sometimes they approach me and ask, do you know who have 1 million, 2 million plus followers, influencers?
Wow.
Then I ask for the quotation and I just ask them to collaborate. They are really, brands are really paying them. So there's no doubt the influencers are going to be
Next
rich and rich in
market.
next 2-3 years.
But when you're already good networking, you have, you're a model, you're an influencer, then why the third journey came as like you got your own boutique?
Yeah.
Then more of a like stress, like already you can actually explore this field of influencer, you're doing well.
Right.
Then how come this your dream of, you know, having your own baby again, the startup?
Right.
It's on designing, like
Correct,
you have your designer showroom startup.
Right.
So why?
So the thing is, all throughout my life, I was doing modeling and being an influencer. I was always chilling. I don't think I have ever did hard work towards it. As I said, everything was working towards, like, you know, I was just going, working for brand and coming back. So I don't know what will be my future after 4-5 years. So I always wanted to make it little more secure, because as I said, like, you know, the competition is very high being an influencer or a model. So every day we get to see lot of new influencers, lot of new models.
New things are coming.
So as it have money, at the same time it have competition.